Join our Friday and Saturday Zooms for 3 hours of hands-on AHK teaching and support. Get unstuck and level up in real time. Witness how club members crush real AHK projects. It's eye-opening proof that our community sparks creativity and success. We got five. Can you see Mario's? Just because he did ask a question.
Okay, let me see what
The
that
Zoom
is.
chat.
Okay, so his question is, sorry, can you rephrase the comment? I don't. Okay, maybe not possible. How can we use a hot if or emulate similar behavior at a script level? I mean, a default hotkey across many hotkey scripts to exit, applicable to today's case as an exit now in addition to a timer. Well, remember, we can use an include file. So you can have any default information that you want in all your scripts in one file, and then in the other script, you just include it. So this timer that we just set up and a hotkey to exit, you can have it in one big. And by the way, this is a great question because it's so short that I could show you. This is exactly what we do with something called the script object. I have this idea. A long time ago, I had this idea of having a few functions that I wanted all of my scripts to have. Like, for example, I want to know the version, the name of the script, who is the author. I want to set something to auto start the script. I want to have splash images. How about updating the script? Those are things. Oh, about. I want to have an about. If I have licensing, can I get a licensing? Is the license valid? Those are things that I want in most of my scripts. Why do I want to write it over and over again? Well, no, you write it in one place, and then you create another script, and in that script, you just go ahead and include the object. You see that? So I include that. And in that one line, the 46, line 46, enables all that functionality in this script without me having to write it again. So going back to your question, anything that you want as a default in all your scripts, just create it in one file and then include it in the script that you want to have that functionality in, and you would be good to go.
Also, though, I mean, Isaiah, you and I both kind of, I think we use off like control escape, or shift escape to exit out of apps. And that's what the cool thing about AutoHotkey is you can, have that same default hotkey in all of your scripts. And then of course, it's just the last one that launched would be the one that it gets triggered and exits out of. Right. So
Right.
it's relevant that it's the same
other one gets enabled. Yeah.
Right. Right.
Right.
Yeah.
So the thing is going to work. It's going to exit the last one that you opened.
Right. Which might be what you're looking for, since you're not looking to say it's that program, because we have like the hub, a hotkey hub, or there's other tools, right, for closing certain scripts. But yeah, that's how I would. Get insider savings, 25% off courses, scripts, and done-for-you AHK jobs, making premium tools affordable and accessible. Tap into over 466 plus hours of AHK video gold, including fresh clips like this, for anytime learning that fits your schedule.